counting down.
4.
Move. Alright, I'm tired. Okay, stop now. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, stop. Stop, Mama tired. Yes. Say morning, Fizz.
Morning, please.
Good morning. Good afternoon and good night, fam bam.
Today is a Saturday.
What? That's not true.
Yes.
No.
It's a movie.
Stop playing. What day is today? What day is the first day of the week that you go to school?
Mercredi.
Hey, stop playing. No. You joke too much, you little clown.
Today.
If you make sure by a count,
Dimanche.
I'm gonna count to 3 and you better say the right thing. What day is today? 1.
Lady.
Ah! Don't do that. Right, today's lungy.
Babu.
And we're getting ready for school, right?
Yes, yes, and we also gonna carry ties.
No.
Yes, I want
We
to
don't
carry ties.
No, we don't carry toys to school.
Yes, I want to carry ties.
You sound like a scratch record. Oh, that's how you sound. Anyway, you guys, I am here getting Tyler ready for school. And then I am going to get back home and get a little rest and something to eat because I have my last OBG doctor appointment today before baby sister come.
Yes.
So mama is going to see baby sister today at the doctor while Tyler is at school. So later when I pick you up from school, I'll tell you all about it, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
And all about my school.
No, you are gonna tell me all about school and mama is gonna tell you all about the doctor.
Okay.
Right?
Well, morning time. Been a long time didn't talk to you on morning. Used to don't have much time. Well, I don't have much time today, but Monday, hot. Last week of June. We soon get it. Soon get it. Today we have an appointment for the doctor. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready for work. Hopefully gonna have a good day. Gonna join baby after cause I meet her at the appointment, and yeah, hope she be fine on the road. I heard today that's gonna be a very hot week in France, so yeah, just gonna make sure travel with water. But I don't worry for me, I worry more for her, so I hope she'll be fine. Just gonna tell her to make sure she have water with her, and yeah, all this thing, make sure. I hope you guys are doing well. It's Monday, it's a new week. Positive, positive, positive. Yes, positive. Catch you guys soon. Have a good day. Enjoy to the vlog.
Does anybody else kid is afraid of fly, or is just my kid alone afraid of fly? Jesus Christ. You hear him screaming?
Every time you see a little fly,
he is freaked out by fly. Bad boy.
is your son?
I'm I'm not freaked out by fly.
By lizard?
Exactly, but he's not.
He likes lizard.
He likes lizard and he likes frogs and I don't. And fly he's afraid of. Anyway, you guys, I am going to go ahead and continue my morning routine. I'm gonna pack his lunch bag.
What's going on?
I have no idea. Good question.
You tell already now you can go to nap.
I know, right? I woke up 30 minutes earlier than I would normally wake. I just woke up and I couldn't go back to sleep. So I said, you know what? Might as well. So I'm up and just taking my time, cruise controlling. So I'm gonna finish packing his stuff. Baby's leaving now and then we're gonna leave in a few after him. Take my time, walk to school. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and enjoy the rest of today's vlog. And we'll see you guys at some point throughout the rest of the day. I can't even see through these glasses. Your girl is on her way to her final doctor's appointment. Isn't that crazy? I'll be 39 weeks in 2 days, which means by due date count we have a week and some days to go before baby girl is here. That is beyond my wildest dream. That is crazy to even think that I have just 1 week and some days to go. Crazy. But yeah, I am on my way to the bus stop to get to my doctor's appointment. Babe will be joining me there. Tyler's at school. It's very hot outside today, but I decided to rock my steamed fish and okra body shirt one time during pregnancy. So even when your girl is 9 months pregnant, you still steam fish and okra body, don't it? Anyway, you guys, off to the doctor I go. Look at my face. This is what is happening in this side of the world right now. It's so hot today, and can you imagine this McDonald's having 0 fans, 0 AC, nothing at all. How am I gonna survive? Look at my face. Look who we have here. Why that look? I am contemplating taking my food and going outside because, Lord, look at this. This reminds me of Jamaica so much. The heat. Oh my God, I just want to strip naked. Like literally just strip naked. But they seem to not mind. Hey, you don't mind the heat. You look calm. Yeah, but you look like you're not sweating at all. Look at me. Look at me.
You're sweating, but you're also sweating from the walk, no?
I don't know.
With you?
I'm sweating like a pig. Anyway, you guys, we're at
your hair.
Tyler's favorite place.
Your hair.
What about my hair?
Your hair very... George?
Merci. We're at Tyler's favorite place for lunch. So perfect time and I reached down so I catch him for lunch. So we're gonna eat and Tyler is not gonna be happy. I won't tell him or it's a secret. So I'm having what Tyler normally have. Since he's not here, might as well. Alright, let's eat. Ready? Well, you're already eating. I'm having veggies and a little fish sandwich because you guys know I can't eat much. Oh, and I got book to crayon. I got book to crayon.
Okay.
Wow, babe. Oh, baby, this look hot and steamy and yummy. That look like bacon and cheese inside. Baby's having cocoa and I'm having orange juice. Such a hot day. Oh my gosh, if I didn't have to go outside, I wouldn't. Can you turn on the fan for mama, please?
Okay.
I just went and picked Tyler up from school. Let me give you guys a quick update from the doctor. Baby girl is doing well. That was our final doctor appointment before baby girl comes.
It was the last day for Mama appointment.
Yes, it was. He's there taking off his shoes. And she is an estimated 8 pounds, roughly 8 pounds 15 ounces right now. Yo, pray for Mama JJ. But that's okay. Tyler just got in from school. Yes, I will. And he's drinking some cold juice because it's super hot outside. It's so hot. He said, Mama, I am thirsty. So he's drinking some juice. You had a good day at school?
Yes, Mama.
Mama? Yes.
You know that I drink at school because it's hot.
You drink a lot of water today?
No.
You didn't drink a lot of water at school?
No, jus de fruits.
Oh, you drink a lot of fruit juice?
Yeah.
Cool. So yeah, baby girl is a big girl, estimated. If I don't go in labor on my own by my due date, I will be going in to the hospital on my due date early in the morning, which is the 10th of July. So if baby girl doesn't come by then I'll be going on that date to be induced. I'm so excited. My doctor said to me while how we were about to leave the office that now you can go ahead and have as much sport with your husband, walk as much as you can, exercise as much as you can. What else he told me to do? And he said go ahead and clean your house from top to bottom. Do whatever it is that you need to do to make this baby come, because she's ready. So yeah, we're well on our way. So let's get some sport done with my husband. And let's get some walking and some squatting done when I can, but no pressure. But if not, baby girl will be here by the 10th to the 11th. So yeah, that's the update on her. She's doing well. Mama is doing well, and we're just sitting down waiting on her. Well, more like I need to walk and wait on her right now. So that's the update from doctor. Baby sister is doing well. You ready to meet baby sister? Yes. Why is your mouth full of juice and you don't swallow it? You're so funny. And we got package, we got mail. We got one mail today, and I'm gonna open it to see who it's from and what it is, right?
Yes.
Now?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it now. Tell us now, so let's do it now. Okay, let's see. We've got mail. We've got mail. We've got mail. And this mail is coming from Grandma. It's coming from Grandma. It's coming from my mom. And Mommy is hilarious because Mommy don't know what I have. So Mom just went ahead and buy things. And swallow the juice, please. This shoes, I already have it. So now I have these shoes twice.
Mama.
Again. Wait, Mama is talking. So Mommy sent me 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 packages Mom sent me. And of the 4 packages, 3 of them I already, no, mom sent me 5 packages. And of the 5 packages, 3 of them I already have. So these shoes, she have this exact shoes already. That shoe she already have, and this red one she don't have. So this is super cute. I love it. Thank you, mom. But I wish they weren't duplicates. But let's see the same way. What? You think this is for you?
Yes.
How so?
Yes, it's me.
Can this fit on your foot?
Yes.
Where on your foot is gonna fit? On your head?
Yes.
On your nose?
No.
On your finger?
No, yes.
It's not possible.
Yes.
That is not possible at all.
Yes, it's possible.
No, it's not. Who this is for?
Baby sister and me and mama
Okay.
and papa.
Alright. Can you go and put the cup in the kitchen, please? Take it up from there.
Pookie, pookie, pookie.
So these are 2 nice shoes from mom. Thank you, mama. Appreciate it.
Pookie, pookie.
So since today is leftover Mondays, that is what dinner looks like. Leftover mashed potato, rice, and roast wings. Yes, we're all having the same thing. I'm gonna throw these in the microwave and we're good to go. No cooking today, shawty. This one. Very good. And this one?
Andy.
No. It would be Andy if a Y is at the end, but there's no.
And
Very good. This one.
go.
Very good. Not this one.
Oh, good.
Good. Babu. Watch me, boy. Come.
Oh.
Or.
On.
Very good. This one.
On.
Bravo. This one.
And it's
Look at it and break it.
look.
Very good. Oh my God.
Long.
Very good. Ty. Oh, you're so smart.
I can say the words now.
Yeah, you can.
And when we was in the room, I don't know the words. Now I know the words.
Yeah, you're smart. What's this one? H.
Him.
Good Ty. Oh my, how do you know these?
He.
Good job. Honey, how do I know these?
Good job, Tyler.
Have.
Have. Good job.
He.
Good job. Ty. I'm so proud of you.
Wurat.
Say it again.
Wurat.
No. What?
What?
Good job.
Why?
Where?
Where?
Good job.
We.
Say it again.
Yeah.
Wheel.
Wheel.
Which?
Wheat. But no.
Good job.
Not.
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 Good job.
What's this letter? D O B.
B.
Bean.
Very good. Bean. Oh my gosh, you're smart.
B. Y.
Say that again.
Before.
Before. Oh my God, honey. Look.
Before.
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 Baby.
No, we didn't do the other side.
Yes, we did it.
I did.
Can we didn't find?
Die.
Ack.
No, look at it again.
Asak.
No, look at it again. Say it. Say all of the letters.
Ask.
Yes! Ask!
Stop. Op. Stop.
Say, look at it again.
Stop.
Stop! Oh my God, you're smart. I'm so excited.
Into.
Look at it again.
Into.
Into.
In.
Good job.
To.
Remember that TH, T and H together is always V.
Van.
Then, good job.
Some.
Some. Oh my gosh, Dai. Oh my gosh.
What's this? B-O-D.
B.
Butte.
No, look at it again.
Beauty.
Say it in English, not French.
Beauty.
No, look at it again. It's just 3 letters.
Bu.
It's B, not B.
Bo. Boat.
Yes, but this one.
Bright.
No, it's 2 letters.
What?
It's 2 letters. Say what you see. Look at it.
Look
at it. Just look at it. Look at it.
Why?
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, you're smart.
This end it makes what?
You tell me. Look at it.
Kun.
Kian.
Kian. Just like Kian in the phone.
Yes.
Carl.
Carl, good job. Oh my gosh, you're smart. Remember TH make V. Okay?
Vin.
Them.
Then.
There.
There.
Good job. Oh my gosh.
Oh, and you mix what?
You tell me.
Oh. Out.
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 Yeah.
Oh, and T mix what?
You know.
Out. Out. Out.
Remember T and H make?
F.
Right.
Two.
So it's make the O sound, then the T and H sound, then the ER sound.
O. V. Yeah.
E and R make So what is the word? Other. Other. Right. T and H again.
These.
Very good. And this one is not T and H. Look at it.